Today we will be demonstrating proper hand washing technique.
So first your instructor is going to put some glow germ on your hand. You don't need very much, but you want to make sure to rub it in.
Okay, you also want to remove all jewelry before you get started. So we'll lay that down and make sure that you put your sleeves up, put your glow germ on your wrist, and get that rubbed in until it's dry. All right, the first thing you're going to do is turn on your water, and you want it to be at a warm temperature. Get that regulated before you start. Make sure it's nice and hot, warm, hot. Once you get your hand wet just a little bit, you get your soap, and then you start rubbing friction, and you want at least 15 to 30 seconds. It's important that you scrub, get your wrist, get in between your fingers, get your fingernails. You can also get your cuticles. All right. If you have a nice singing voice, you can sing the ABCs or happy birthday a couple times through. Then you know that you got your scrubbing in. I don't have a nice singing voice, so I will just scrub. All right, when you're rinsing, you're going to make sure that you aren't scrubbing at the same time. Hold your wrist and your hands below your elbows and into the sink. Try to avoid splashes. And then once that's all rinsed, just kind of dangle your fingers a little bit. Don't go shaking all around. And then get your paper towel. I used one for each one. You can use a couple more, like it didn't dry on mine. So what we really want you to avoid is scrubbing all around. You just kind of want to tap it like this. And then you'll get another one to turn off your water. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it's like. I'm going to put my hands up here close, and I'm going to show you what it's like with the light, the ultraviolet light. I can't see. I'm going to let Amy do the light.
All right, so there's a little spot down there in the cracks of our hands that we can see. Have her turn her hand. Maybe a little bit around the cuticles we're seeing.
And then the wrist is
Ooh,
often.
look at the wrist.
I like to show you guys what that looks like because that's a place that we often miss. So I just wanted to show you the difference, and we'll turn on the light, and that concludes hand washing techniques.